Okay guys, so today we're going to be making a gluten-free chocolate avocado cake. And these are all the ingredients that we're going to use to make our cake. So here we have a cup and 3/4 of gluten-free flour. This is the size of avocado that I'm going to use. What I did, I just sprinkled a little bit of lemon juice on it so that it won't turn brown. I have about a 1/2 cup of milk here. I have about 3/4 cup of maple syrup. Now you can substitute this with a cup of sugar when you're making your cake. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and 4 ounces of butter. So let's get to mashing our avocado, and then we're gonna put everything together. Now, this is a cake pan that I'm going to use. So what I just did was use some parchment paper and line it so it will be easier for me to remove the cake. Ordinarily, what you could do is put some butter, butter the cake pan and dust it with some flour and then pour your batter in. That's an option, but I'm just going to use the parchment paper. Alright, so let's get to mashing the avocado. Okay, so now I'm going to cream the butter and the maple syrup. Of course, if you were using regular sugar, then this is the point that you would cream your butter and your sugar. Okay guys, I think I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of the cocoa powder to make it a little darker. So in total, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. All right, so we have our cake batter here now. Now we're going to put it into our cake pan. Of course, if you wanted this darker, you could have added more cocoa powder to it. So maybe the next time I make this, I would actually probably add more cocoa powder, so it would be more chocolatey looking. Of course, you would have your oven preheating at this point in time, because you would now need to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, so like I said, we're going to put this into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 30 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, so our gluten-free chocolate avocado cake is now completed. We're going to wait for it to cool completely, and then we're going to put a chocolate vanilla glaze over it. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.